Hi, I am Jean Mary Monsanto, 42 years old, born on July 26, 1965. A single parent with two children, one girl aged 19 and one boy aged 17. My origin place is Balhi, Calapan, Oriental Mindoro, Philippines. Since I grew up in a poor family, I tried my very best to improve my knowledge and myself. I've got a vocational course, seminars and trainings like hair culture, cooking, and caregiving. In 1994, I decided to go abroad to support my family. And I am lucky to get a job in the rehabilitation center in KSA. I worked there for 3 years and 3 months. In my first year, I've taken care of 5 patients to give them food and medicine, bathing and changing clothes every day. In my second year, I've taken care of 5 patients using a wheelchair. And in my third year, I've taken care of 5 bedridden patients in ICU to give their daily needs like feeding, bathing and changing clothes, give their medicine on the right time, and to give an extraordinary attention and more patience, especially to my epileptic patients. I'm doing a basic nursing care like suction to take away the secretion to give them a proper way of breathing. In 1998 to 2000, I worked as a chambermaid in Marco Vincent Residence Inn in the Philippines, one of the most popular hotel in my place. Presently, I work as a domestic helper here in Hong Kong for almost 7 years in one employer with 2 kids and 2 cats. I'm doing all the household chores like cooking, cleaning, washing, and marketing. I am hardworking, matured, simple, and honest person. I promise to do my best to cope on my responsibility as your housemate. I love watching games like basketball, listening to music, and sometimes go out with my friends. My plan is to support my family and to give them a better future. Yes, I want to go in Bahamas. It's a nice place to experience nature and life over there and to fulfill my desire in life. Thank you so much for this opportunity. I hope and pray to be the lucky one you are looking for. More power and God bless.